Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Tomorrow, June 9th, is shaping up to be a pretty busy day on D Street, with a lot of heavy-hitting corporate actions hitting the tape. We've got massive infrastructure wins, major AI plays, and a big government stake sale on the table. If you're looking to position yourself before the opening bell, here are the key stocks and setups you absolutely need to have on your radar. First up, let's talk about RVNL. The rail momentum just isn't slowing down. They just bagged a fresh EPC contract from the Southeast Central Railway out in Chhattisgarh, worth a cool 221 crore rupees. Keep an eye on the price action here. The market loves these steady order inflows. Next, a massive corporate action to track: NLC India. The Government of India is launching an offer for sale, or OFS. They are selling a base offer of 2% equity, but there's a green shoe option for another 1% if demand is there. OFS events usually create some short-term volatility as the market absorbs the supply, so if you're trading NLC, watch your risk closely tomorrow morning. Moving over to IT, HCL Tech is making a fascinating fundamental move. They've teamed up with Google Cloud to launch a brand new AI innovation zone over in Santa Clara, California. They're targeting what they call agentic and physical AI applications for global enterprises. If you're looking for tech stocks with actual, realized AI catalysts rather than just hype, HCL Tech is making a strong case right now. Over in the green energy space, JSW Energy just localized a massive chunk of their supply chain. They've officially commissioned a new wind blade manufacturing plant in Halol, Gujarat. Securing your own components is a massive moat right now with wind power expanding so fast, so this is a great long-term structural win for them. Two more before you go. Grasim Industries is dropping some serious capital. They just approved a Phase 2 expansion for their Lyocell facility in Karnataka to the tune of nearly 3,100 crore rupees. They are adding 110,000 tons of annual capacity. This is a clear sign management sees roaring demand ahead in their textiles and advanced materials division. And finally, a micro-cap catalyst to watch: Panacea Biotec. They just kicked off their DENSTAR project. It's a targeted initiative to get global licensure and roll out their dengue vaccine, dengue all, specifically aiming at sub-Saharan Africa. Pharma plays like this can react sharply to global health milestones, so keep it on a tight watch list. That is the layout for June 9th. Which of these setups are you trading tomorrow? Let me know in the comments below. Hit that subscribe button for daily macro breakdowns, and as always, trade smart and manage your risk. See you tomorrow.